I have a number of occasions experience being on the other side of the stage, which is, believe me, far more exciting. And to be out in the middle and compete rather than having this microphone in front of me, I really enjoyed myself having a cricket bat in my hand. You guys have traveled miles across to participate in this wonderful tournament. My advice, or rather I can say message, because I'm not that old to give you advice, I can only give you message, is compete in the right spirit. To me, cricket taught me a lot of things. Right from my school days, cricket taught me to prepare for an event, to plan how I want to move forward, and then to be able to execute those plans was even more important. I think to respect your opposition, your teammates, is really important. I can understand everyone is out here to win. Not everyone can be winners, but you can definitely win everyone's hearts. You can win some games, you can lose some games. In my career, I haven't won all the games, but something which sport teaches you is when there is failure, when you're faced with challenges, sport teaches you to get back on your feet again and compete harder in the right spirit. And that's what my message to you would be. Compete hard, but play in the right spirit and respect your sport above all. I hope you enjoy this sports competition and give your best and make your team proud. All the very best. To talk about passion, I can think of my school days when I was studying and at the same time playing cricket. I used to be practicing in the nets. My coach would be standing behind the nets, waiting for me to leave the nets because it was dark like this and I couldn't see the ball. Magar net se bahar nahi aana tha. Whereas in the classroom while studying, I would be waiting for my teacher to finish the lesson so that I could get back on the field and play. So for me, passion is that, the number of hours that I practiced, I never got tired, but the moment I reached home, I fell asleep, and on a number of occasions, I didn't even have the energy to have a proper meal. And I've written in my book also that my aunt in my sleep used to feed me so that I could get up and play the next day. So for me, passion is that, and I believe all of you are equally passionate, because if you're not passionate, you wouldn't have been here. And I'm sure you've made a lot of sacrifices. You've led a disciplined life to achieve your dream. So I believe to achieve your dream, you got to chase it hard. There will be obstacles, there'll be hurdles along the way, but keep pushing yourself hard. So on a number of occasions, we push ourselves hard and then we turn back thinking that we've tried and it hasn't worked, whereas success is waiting for you round the corner. So don't give up is what I will say, and passion allows you to push yourself harder. Just find a reason to wake up in the morning and chase your dreams and push yourself harder. Sports for all. I strongly believe that in schools, right from the grassroots level, all the children should engage themselves in outdoor activity. Go out on a playground and run around, choose some sport and get passionate about that sport. It is by no means I'm trying to say that I'm trying to convert the entire nation to become sportsmen. It is just to lead healthy lifestyle, because I was reading somewhere and it was baffling to know that there are 62 million plus diabetic patients in India. And it is one record that we should not be proud of, and one record that we should change. And only by leading active, healthy life, we're going to bring that number down. And I believe also it is about engaging yourself more into outdoor activity and not just exercise your thumbs, because I see a lot of kids playing video games all the time, either on their laptops or their iPads or computers, phones and all that. I think you should spend more energy out on the field. And sports for all, it is something which is dear to me, and I think it has potential of changing and making the entire nation healthier and happier. My suggestion to all of you, you are saying how would you contribute? You could contribute by staying active like this, like all my young brothers and sisters are here, all the sportsmen. Let's engage ourselves into some sporting activity and lead a healthy life.